Hello viewers, let's continue our CodeChef series, and now we have to solve the one more question on a rain in a Chefland. So here is given a story of a chef that if the rain is less than 3 millimeter per hour, then it is a light rain, and if it is greater than or equals to 3 and less than 7, then it is a moderate, and if it is greater than 7 then or equal to, then it will be heavy. So you just have to check whether it is light, heavy or moderate. So here is given if x millimeter is greater than 3, sorry, first you have to take the less condition. If it is less than 3, then it is the light, okay, and if x is greater than or equals to 3 but x is less than 7, then you just have to do moderate, okay. And in the same way, if x is more than 7 or equals to, then you just have to print heavy, okay. So let's write the pseudocode here. First you have to take int x and then cin x, and then while x minus minus is greater than 0, you have to take input int x and the cn x. If x is less than 3, you have to print light, else if x is greater than or equals to 3 and x is less than 7, then you just have to print then you have to print moderate, else it is heavy, okay. So I hope you understand this code and the question, that what this question is telling. First you have to take the number of test cases in CNT while t minus minus is greater than 0, then you just have to do int x comma cn x. If x is greater than 3, then you just have to do cout light, else if x is greater than or equals to 3 and then x is less than 7, then you just have to do cout moderate, else you just have to do cout heavy, okay. So let's run this code. You have to do endl also here. So let's again run this code. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this. No, this code does not works fine. Okay, I have to do less here. Let's again run this code. Now this code works fine. Let's submit this. Yeah, this has been accepted. Thanks for watching.